You brought him here to kill me!
Let her go, Anakin. Let her go! Oh my God.
You turned her against me.
You have done that yourself.
You will not take her from me!
Your anger and your lust for power has already done that. You have allowed this Dark Lord to twist your mind until now. Until now you've become the very thing you swore to destroy.
Don't lecture me, Obi-Wan. I see through the lies of the Jedi. I have brought peace, freedom, justice, and security to my new empire.
Your new empire?
Don't make me kill you.
Anakin, my allegiance is to the Republic, to democracy!
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy!
Only a Sith deals in absolutes. I will do what I must. It's over, Anakin! Don't try it! You were the chosen one! You were said that you would destroy the Sith, not join them!
I hate you! Wait till I get my ass up there. You're gonna be in a world of hurt, I swear to God.
You were my brother, Anakin. I loved you.
Sorry, I was burning. What did you say? Oh my God! Oh my God! It's getting so much worse! Why aren't you pulling me out? Oh Lord in heaven, Mary!
You know what? The Jedi kinda gave up on him in the first place anyway. We'll find another one.